skip the queue. I don't believe in queues because if you're joining the end of the queue, it's going to use up an awful lot of time going nowhere. So we like to skip queues. Actually, we're going to move the playing field. That's what we're doing. We've created our own academy at a higher standard than the current ones out there. We've used innovative, disruptive methodologies, applied the best to leapfrog what the standard currently is. In the meantime, we're the star of our own film. We're the star of our own show because we are the star in our own lives. So why take all that away and join someone else's queue? Sorry, the queue starts and ends here. We are at the top of the queue, and actually everyone else can get behind. Let's just go out there and do what it is you want to do. Do not look for someone else to give you permission or ask permission of them. Don't keep on joining queues. Join it by all means if you want to, but have a second a plan B, a plan C, and a plan D. Because if you're just plan A is join the queue, and when you get to the top, there's no position, and there's no more seats on the train and the plane, then where are you going? Time gone. Nothing happened other than moving from A to B to C in the queue.
That brings us right back to that sort of little thing about the story structure, where if you've got your end goals and there are obstacles getting in the way, but we're in that conversation, we're recognizing that there are obstacles and there are people that are blocking us from actually achieving what we want. And what we're doing is finding ways to get around them. And that storytelling process, right, what's the next obstacle? How can we get around that? How do we make it a molehill instead of a mountain? How can we crush it if we need to actually crush it and keep on moving forward? How do we build up that confidence that what we're actually doing is meaningful and does sort of offer people a good laugh somewhere along the line, or at least makes them think a little bit more about what their lives are like and help them change in some form or fashion.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and click on the bell for notifications.